Welcome students, welcome back to my channel Yatam Bio 360. So again today I going to discuss about terminology related to the principles of inheritance and variation. So some important terminology I will discuss. So factor. So the term factor, it is utilized by the Johansson. Johansson utilized the term factor. And Mendel also utilized instead of the factor, but he used element. Element used by the Mendel. So Mendel utilized the term that is element. Factor is utilized by the Johansson. So what is the meaning of factor or what is the meaning of element? So the element or factor both having a same kind of nature, that is both responsible for the transformation of characters from parents to the progeny. So that is the nature of the factor or characters. Okay, so the factors is classified into two types, that is recessive factor and dominant factor. So the factor is classified into two types. Okay, so that is recessive or dominant factor. So dominant factor is represented by the capital letter like capital T. Recessive factor is represented with the small letter like small t. Dominant factor represented by the capital T and recessive factor is represented with the small t. Okay, so next that is dominant factor capital T, recessive factor small t. Okay, so recessive factor is indicated by the small t, dominant factor is represented by the capital T. So allele, what is the meaning of allele? Different forms. So this is factor proposed by the Morgan. So Morgan proposed the factor. Okay, that is the letter, that is capital T and small t. Like dominant factor is represented by capital letter and recessive factor is represented by the small letter. That is provided by the Morgan. Allele, different forms of same gene. Different form of the same gene is called allele. Okay, so otherwise different forms of the same gene is called allele. Otherwise we can say the gene which produce alternate traits. The gene which produces the alternate traits, that is called allele. Different forms of the same gene, otherwise the gene at which it will produce as the alternate traits, that is called allele. Okay, so the alleles are classified into two types. Okay, so two types of alleles is present. One is called dominant allele and another one is recessive. Suppose this is the chromosome. So in the chromosome structure, there are two different alleles. Two different alleles present in the chromosome structure. So what is that alleles? So this is the chromosome. So suppose see, these two chromosomes is present in one organism. So the chromosomes contains locus. So what is the meaning of locus? So in this locus, in this location, one gene is present and in this location one gene is present. Okay, so chromosome A, so two chromosomes, so first chromosome and second chromosome. In this chromosomes, two alleles. So two alleles is present in same location of the chromosome. So in this place one allele is present and in this place one allele is present. That is capital T is present in this place and small t is present in this place. So okay, so two different, the gene which produce alternate traits, that is called alleles. The gene which produce alternate traits, that is called alleles. Otherwise different forms of the same gene is called alleles. So see here, the alleles capital A and capital, so suppose I will give chromosomes. So this is the one chromosome. Okay, this is another chromosome. So chromosome 1 contains this location. At the same location, one gene, one allele is present. That is capital T. So capital T is present in this location and small t is present in this location. So the two traits present in the same kinds of locations, that is called Loki, gene Loki. So what is the meaning of gene Loki? Location of allele in the chromosome. So that is called Loki. So in gene Loki, capital T is present in this gene Loki. In this gene Loki, small t is present. Position of the chromosome is called gene Loki. So at which position the gene is present in the chromosome, that particular location is called gene Loki. So in this area, other two alleles present in this location. So suppose see here, this is one locus and this is one locus. Okay, so in this locus C, capital T is present in this locus, and in this locus also capital T is present. So these are called homologous chromosomes. So what is homologous chromosomes? First I will give clarity about that. Homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes means the same kind of chromosomes. So we will receive one chromosome from the mother and one chromosome from the father. So first chromosome, so from mother I am writing, and from father. Okay, first chromosome from the mother and first chromosome from the father. Second chromosome from the mother and second chromosome from the father. Which two chromosomes is called homologous chromosomes? These two chromosomes is called homologous chromosomes. So first chromosome from the mother and first chromosome from the father, that is called homologous chromosomes. Again, second chromosome from the mother and second chromosome from the father, that is also called homologous chromosomes. Okay, so this is called homologous chromosomes. Okay, so this is called homologous chromosomes, and again this is also called homologous chromosomes. Okay, so first chromosome from the mother and first chromosome from the father, that is called homologous chromosomes. Otherwise, second chromosome from the mother and second chromosome from the father is also called homologous chromosomes. Suppose first chromosome and second chromosome. Okay, so first chromosome and second chromosome, these are called heterologous chromosomes. So homologous chromosomes means same number of chromosomes from mother and father will transfer to the progeny. So one chromosome from the mother and one chromosome from the father, like first chromosome and first chromosome. First chromosome from the mother and first chromosome from the father. This is called homologous chromosomes. Suppose the chromosome number 1 from the mother and chromosome number 2 from the father. This is called heterologous chromosomes. Okay, so homologous chromosomes. So what is the location of genes on the homologous chromosomes? Suppose if you see, this is here two chromosomes is present. In this location, two chromosomes is present. What is that two chromosomes? Suppose first chromosome from the mother, and here also first chromosome from the father. First chromosome from the mother and first chromosome from the father. These are called homologous chromosomes, because this chromosome from the mother, first chromosome. This chromosome from the father, that is also first chromosome. Same number of chromosomes from the mother and father, that is called homologous chromosomes. So suppose if you see, here also first chromosome from the mother and first chromosome from the father. So the homologous chromosomes on the same location, they have a alleles. So the homologous chromosomes have a alleles on the same location, that is called homologous chromosomes. Okay, so the gene Loki, this is one gene Loki. So what is the location of capital T? This is the location of capital T. This is this location of the small t. So location of capital T and small t, same location or different location on the chromosomes? So same location on the chromosomes. So where the capital T is present in this chromosome, in this same location in another chromosome, small t is present. Okay, so that is called gene Loki. Gene Loki means where the gene or allele located on the surface of the chromosome are present in the position in the chromosome, that is called locus. So this gene locus contains two alleles. So capital T is present in one chromosome, gene Loki, and small t is present in the another chromosome, gene Loki. So here in these two chromosomes, this is another organism. So this chromosome contains capital T in this gene Loki. This chromosome contains capital T in the gene Loki. Again I will give another chromosome. So this is the another organism. 2 chromosomes is present in this organism. So what is the 2 chromosomes? So this is 1 chromosome and this is 1 chromosome. Okay. So now see, capital small t is present in this locus and small t is present in this locus. Okay, so 2 small t is present. So 1 small t is present in this location and another small t is present in this location. So 2 different chromosomes in the same location or in the same position, 2 alleles, same alleles is present. But this is 1 chromosome and this is 1 chromosome. But in the same loci, it having a allele, small t. In the same loci, another chromosome also having a same allele, that is small t. So I think you can understand what is the meaning of homologous chromosomes. So same number of chromosomes present in the organisms is called homologous chromosomes. Different number of chromosomes. So first chromosome, second chromosome is called heterologous chromosomes. First chromosome and first chromosome is called homologous chromosomes. So the genes located on the homologous chromosomes, the location of the gene on the chromosome, that is called gene loci. Okay, so what is the allele? Different forms of the same gene or the gene which produce alternate traits, that is called allele. So this is the organism. So in this organism, how many alleles is present? 2 alleles is present in this organism. What is that 2 alleles? Capital T is the 1 allele and small t is the second allele. So another organism, that is in another organism, in this organism, so capital T, so 2 capital T's. So capital T is present in the first position and capital T is present in the second position. So in 2 chromosomes, same kind of alleles is present. Next, third chromosome, small t is present and small t is present. So small t is present in the first chromosome and in second chromosome, small t is present in the same location. So different forms of the same gene are the gene which produce alternate traits, that is called alleles. So the term allele is provided by the Batson. Batson provided term allele. So homozygous and heterozygous condition. Same kind of alleles is present in the organism. That condition is called homozygous condition. Different kinds of the alleles is present in the organism. That is called heterozygous condition. So like suppose capital T, this is called homozygous condition. Otherwise small t, this is also called homozygous condition. So capital T is called homozygous condition. Small t is also called homozygous condition. Otherwise if you see here, capital T, small t, this is called heterozygous condition. Different kinds of alleles is present in the organism, that is called heterozygous condition. Okay, so next, so homozygous and heterozygous, who provided this terminology? Bateson. So Bateson provided homozygous and heterozygous terminology. So hemizygous condition. So hemizygous condition means out of pair, only one allele is present in the organism, that is called hemizygous condition. So suppose in human males, XY is present. Okay, so pair of chromosomes should be present in the organisms generally. Generally, pair of alleles present in the organism. Pair of alleles means or pair of alleles are pair of the chromosomes. First chromosome from the mother, first chromosome from the father. 20th chromosome from the mother, 20th chromosome from the father. But X chromosome. So out of 2 X chromosomes, only 1 X chromosome is present in the progeny. Otherwise only 1 Y chromosome is present. Pair of chromosomes is not present. Okay, pair of chromosomes is not present. Out of pair, only 1 chromosome, at least only 1 chromosome, only 1 X chromosome is present. So then that condition is called hemizygous. Okay, and phenotype. Phenotype means physical appearance of the organism. Okay, physical appearance of the organism or morphological appearance of the organism. Morphological or physical appearance, both are same. Morphological appearance of the organism or physical appearance of the organism is called phenotype. So phenotype examples. What is the phenotype examples? Tall is a phenotype. Dwarf is also phenotype. So that is physical appearance or morphological feature of the organisms is called, that is phenotype. Morphological appearance of the organism is called phenotype. Then see here, I will give one more terminology related to this genetics, that is phenocopy. Genotype and phenocopy. So phenotype means that is physical or morphological appearance of the organism is called phenotype. And what is the meaning of the genotype? Genotype means genetic constitution or genetic makeup of the organism is called genotype. Genetic constitution or genetic makeup, genetic constitution or genetic makeup of the organism is called genotype. So how many, like suppose if you see the height of the plant, capital T is one genotype, small t is called one genotype, capital T small t is called one genotype. So totally how many genotypes present in the organism? So capital T, one genotype. Genetic constitution or genetic makeup or genetic composition of the organism is called genotype. Genetic constitution, genetic makeup or genetic composition in the organism is called genotype. So genotype 1 capital T, genotype 2 capital small t, genotype 3 capital T small t. All the three having a same genotype or different genotype. So same three different genotypes present in the same kinds of organisms. Okay, next another one is phenocopy. Phenocopy. What is the meaning of phenocopy? Different genotypes will produce same phenotype in different environments. Okay, so that is called phenocopy. Different genotypes, they will produce as the same phenotype in different environmental conditions. That is called phenocopy. Okay, so this is phenocopy. So this is some important terminology related to the genetics. So in next class I will start monohybrid cross or inheritance of one gene. Okay, so just I will revise once again. So factor or element. So element term is utilized by the Mendel, factor term is utilized by the Johansson. Okay, so factor or element, they are responsible for the transformation of characters from parents to the progeny. Dominant, the traits is, the factor is classified into two types, that is dominant factor and recessive factor. This factor, dominant factor and recessive factor, this is proposed by the Morgan. So dominant factor is indicated by capital T and recessive factor is indicated by small t. Alleles, different forms of the same gene are the genes which code for the alternate traits, that is called alleles. So alleles present in the homologous chromosomes. So what is the meaning of homologous chromosomes? So same number of chromosomes present in the organism, that is called homologous chromosome. Like suppose chromosome number 1 from the mother and chromosome number 1 from the father, that is called homologous chromosomes. Otherwise X chromosomes present in the females, that is also called homologous chromosomes. So 2 X chromosomes present in the females, that is called homologous chromosomes. Otherwise chromosome number 22 from the mother and chromosome number 22 from the father, that is also called homologous chromosomes. So the number of the chromosome should be same. That may be first chromosome or second chromosome or 10th chromosome. So the number, 2 chromosomes having a same number, that is called homologous chromosomes. Okay, so what is the location of alleles in the gene? That is called gene Loki. What is the meaning of gene Loki? The position of the allele or position of the gene on the chromosome is called gene Loki. So one chromosome contains one gene Loki. Okay, so each chromosome contains one gene Loki. Okay, next one is homozygous and heterozygous. So same type of alleles is present, that is called homozygous. Example, capital T, capital T. So capital T is the homozygous. Small t is also homozygous. Capital T and small t is called heterozygous. Okay, so hemizygous. Hemizygous means pair of alleles is not present. Okay, instead of the pair, only one chromosome or one allele is present in the organism, that is called hemizygous. Example, human male. Next, phenotype. Morphological appearance of the organism. Okay, otherwise physical appearance of the organism is called phenotype. And genotype. Genetic composition or genetic constitution or genetic makeup of the organism is called genotype. So there are three types of the genotypes. So capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So this is the three genotypes. Phenocopy. Different genotypes will produce same phenotype in different environments, that is called phenocopy. So this is the terminology related to the genetics. So for this chapter, so I will provide notes, then I will provide some multiple choice questions related to terminology in the description box. So check the description box and click the link, you can get the that particular questions on the material. Okay, so in next class I will explain about inheritance of one gene. So thank you very much for watching my channel. If you like the video, click the like button, share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my channel.